Tea tree oil and coconut oil for acne. Tea tree oil has powerful antibacterial properties, while coconut oil gives your skin nourishment and provides a soothing effect. If you want to have more details about these oils, then tea tree oil kills acne-causing bacteria, reduces skin oiliness, relieves skin itchiness, and tightens large pores. Coconut oil gives your skin proper moisturization, removes the dirt from the pores, and fights against germs. How to use tea tree oil and coconut oil for acne. 1. Acne Cream. Take a 2 ounces amber container, and add in it 10 drops of tea tree oil, and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Mix the ingredients until you get a creamy paste, which you can store in a cool and dry place. Use a small amount of it to moisturize your face. 2. Antibacterial face wash. Take a measuring cup, and add 1 cup of distilled water in it. Now, mix up 7 drops of tea tree oil, and 1 teaspoon of fractionated coconut oil, and add this mixture in the measuring cup. Take 1/4 cup of liquid Castile soap, and pour it slowly into the measuring cup. Stir the contents of the measuring cup well, then pour everything into a foaming soap dispenser bottle. Foam your face with this face wash, then rinse well, and pat dry with a clean towel. 3. Nighttime Serum for Acne. Take a 2 ounces amber glass dropper bottle, and add these ingredients in it: 4 tablespoons of fractionated coconut oil, 10 drops of tea tree oil, and 10 drops of lavender oil. Cap the bottle, and shake it up to mix everything. Store it in a cool and dry place, away from sunlight. To use, apply 1-2 drops of the serum onto your skin before going to bed. Notes. 1 point to mention is that coconut oil is comedogenic, which means it can clog the pores. At the same time, normally, acne-prone people can tolerate it without any problem. If you have a habit of washing your face nicely before going to bed, you shouldn't worry about any potential pore clogging. If you are still in doubt, then use a non-comedogenic alternative instead of coconut oil, shea butter, for example. Make sure to do a patch test before using any oil, to see whether you have an allergy to it or not.